in the morning, so not sure what the time is, but it's some minutes to 8 Jamaican time. So we've been here from about 5:30, 6, somewhere there. So they're all about, some down the back there. They're all about having their little jolly time eating while I'm here in the bush hungry and their belly is full. That's how the business works. That black one there with the rope, she has one kid yesterday and it was a male. Yeah, it was a ram. Yep. I wasn't there when it was happening. So I'm gonna upload a video with that new kid. Yeah. That little kid. That one way down the back there. Not this white one, that little one way down the back there. His name's Skiddy. Lazy. The lazy Robbie. That boy down there. Lazy bad. All these goats has name in them. All these goats has a name. And that is the person who names all of them. She's the one who names all of them. So they're coming from there. They went up there this morning. There, green, then go round. They walk, come on the road here, walk here, come right here. Then they're going down to the back there. Then they go out for the morning. Then I go up, I give them a little bit of grains. And get a little bit of grains when they go up. And then they come back out for feeding like 2:30, 2 o'clock, 2:30 till about 4:30. Yep. As they go up now, they have greens plus molasses water waiting on them. Yeah, because I mixed it before I leave this morning. Oh, it's a work in progress, you know.